me up all night, putting things on the side. What do you have in mind? She's awake all the time. What are you trying to find? I hope this ain't a lie.
Hello guys. Nandito na naman tayo. Batibot. Nandito tayo, naglalakad. Kasama si birthday girl. At kasama si ano dun oh, Terap. At sino ka dyan? David.
Ano? Si Finest Mongolia. Mongolia.
Finest Laos.
Naglalakad po kami. Maghanap kami ng bike maarkilahan. Punta kami ng Stanley Park. Park, letter F.
Ay, yung ano?
Ayan.
Good luck sa paan.
Ito tayo, guys.
Gusto mo na regular?
Ito, cruiser yan. Ito yung hybrid, yung regular.
Isa yata?
Hindi ito.
3?
Ah.
Kami dalawa na Erika ganito eh.
Ano? Asan to?
Ako ito.
Regular bike. Yung parang mountain bike. Ganito tayo Erika.
Ayan.
Yeah.
I will ready my card na.
And when you come, you guys can pay together or separate.
So, naka-arkila na kami ng bike. Ayun sila sa likod. We're gonna go around Stanley Park. Dito kami ngayon sa may Vancouver downtown. Hey!
Kaya picture ako na kayo. Please, dalawa kayo. Dito kayo.
Ha?
3. Isa pa. Portrait. Yan. 1, 2, 3. Kita yun, para kita yung leg. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ano na?
Nasa bungad pa lang tayo, wala pa tayo sa loob ng Stanley Park. Vancouver, BC, beautiful BC, the best.
Stanley?
Stanley Park. Kala ko naglakad kayo na Joel eh. Joel, stop tayo dyan, no, mamaya, para picture sila sa Marina. Na Erica. Maganda yung view dyan eh. Doon banda sa may ano.
Oo, mami.
Doon banda, sa kabilang, sa gitna. Dito.
So, vlog takeover tayo. Ayan po si Jones. So, nagbabike po siya. Hindi po siya marunong mag-vlog habang nagbabike. May taga-vlog po siya. Po kami sa Marina Bay. Ito po. Then po si birthday girl sa unahan.
Hindi magdi-dinner yan, busog yan.
So ano pong masasabi mo?
Ang masasabi ko po ay nandito tayo ngayon sa Seawall. Seawall? Nandito tayo sa Stanley Park. Beautiful place, beautiful BC.
And ikaw, si birthday girl po.
Happy birthday, Jenny!
Bike-bike lang. Kailangan natin, healthy living tayo. So, bike-bike lang. Walang handa.
Ba't nakatungo siya?
Bridge? Joel!
Ang dalawa.
Joel, ba't nagpakulot ka? Kasi nakita ka.
Sayaw ka, sana ako.
Oop! Mali. Tama ba tayo dito?
Ayun yung cruise ship po.
Ano the place na yan?
Ay, ito pa lang pala yata.
O, lagpas ka sa akin, Erica.
Ba't agad?
My part is to invite, your part is to show.
So, kung makikita nyo, merong cruise ship doon.
Nasa harap na yung camera.
Ayun yung cruise ship. So, yeah, I know. Nakikita ko yung cruise ship. So, may cruise ship doon. Hindi ko lang mabasa kung anong cruise ship yun. So, Holland. So, Holland, America. Yan yung cruise ship. So,
Uy, saan tayo mag-tiktok?
oy, dito dapat tayo.
Uy, kuya, saan tayo mag-tiktok?
Diyan oh.
Diyan sa may ano.
That's Holland, America. So, yan po. Pang 5 kape niya na po ngayong araw.
Ikaw ano ka? Ice Americano?
Yes, with vanilla.
Sugar free vanilla?
Yes,
Sugar free?
I'm diet. Ito po, nagubad na po siya. Ito po, ang sakit na po ng paa niya, kakabike. So, hindi mo naman sinabi na yung celebration ng birthday natin ay exercise. So, sana nakapaganda kami.
Yun daw ang goal niya sa birthday.
Jacket pa to. So, dito naman kami sa Starbucks. So,
We're having late lunch or snack here by the beach. We're eating hot dog.
Snacky.
Walang Pinoy na nakababad yan.
Takot mangitim.
Ako maitim na.
Ang puti-puti mo eh.
Okay lang yun, camera naman yan.
Likas lang ka sa kanya. Meron pa ako. Hindi ata.
Oo nga, no?
Dito sa TikTok ko.
So take me away to some other place. Don't wanna wait. Oh, my Indian summer, take me away. I ain't afraid, calling your name. Oh, my Indian summer. Green under the sun, we do our best to hide innocence fading away as we learn the truth, and we'll be anything that we wanna be. Gonna get what's coming anyway.
Thank you.
Dapat
Madami naman naka-jacket. Hindi naman ako.
Kita yung
So guys, nandito na kami sa my hotel. We're getting ready. We'll have a dinner.
Ewan ko yun.
Mag-dinner po tayo ngayon. Birthday dinner. So, binoblower ko yung kakapiraso kong buhok. Para magka-volume. Volume. Sino?
We have a reservation tonight at 9:15 at Aquafarina. It's recording.
Naka-record ba?
Yeah. See, because it's Chinchin's birthday today, so we need to go to a fine dining restaurant. It's just like
we're not fine.
it's just like 6 minutes away from our hotel. Hopefully, I'm looking fine with the top that I bought. My vibe is like a mayor running for the position of senator.
Ganda naman ito.
But I still need to accessorize because I got this thingy.
Tingnan mo.
Let's see.
Batang yun.
Ganda ng grade 2 na yun.
So we're having dinner. Dito tayo kakain. Aquafina. Ha? Oh, Michelin restaurant.
Ano yung ibig sabihin ng Michelin?
Ano? Yung nag-rate ng mga food.
Ay, ilang star? So dito po tayo. We're having dinner.
Ayun.
Ano mo na yung drinks mo? Ano mo na ng drinks mo?
It's a birthday girl.
Ano mo itong... Ano mo itong bati? Grab!
Chicharo mo, chicharo mo.
Lagyan mo sila dito. Tinatakpan mo naman sila. Lagyan mo sila dito.
Lagyan mo dito sa table.
Dito oh.
Okay, makatay mo si Bebeng. Beng.
Buksan mo yung ano, sounds.
Bakit ano? Gising pa kayo? Anong oras na?
Anong oras na dyan?
Uy, mag-thank you ka.
Diba? Thank you ah.
Uy, bilisan
na
mo.
27.
Pipicture mo na ka. Picture mo na. Hawakan mo yan.
Hawak ko na.
Itong bulaklak isa
Ay, nga pala. Ang layo yung bulaklak.
Ganyan. Wait lang.
Okay na?
Madimpol to. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Nakikita yung mukha niya.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Oh, samayaw. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Wait lang.
Same lang kami na
Bago
oras.
ka ihip.
To you.
Mali. Ano? I-blow mo na.
Happy birthday to you.
Wait lang. Sige.
Wait lang daw.
Sige, pagkas ano ating blow. 1, 2, 3. Hawakan mo, tapos mag-blow ka na.
excited na. Dito kami sa outlet mall dito sa Vancouver. We're eating at a Chinese restaurant. Noodles. Buko. Ay, tayo.
Trees aren't green, the ocean is gray, sky is a vague blue, come my way. My room is a mess, it could use a hand. My favorite TV shows are capturing. I know I must get it right, must get back in the fight. This can't be a surprise, I think I'll let it slide. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems, I know I can't make it through. Every night it's the same, I keep running fast, left and right, wondering where my head's gone now. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems, I know.
Right to exit 344 Bay Village.
All of my problems, I know.
Highway 1 West, Highway 101 North. Then use the right lane to stay to the right 2 vehicles and hold.
Where did it go? The feeling of thirst, desire to be a rock in my heels. I'm numb as a poison, flows in my veins. Guess I got used to avoiding the pain. I know I must get it right. Must get back in the fight. This can't be a surprise, I think I'll let it slide. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems, I know I can't make it through.
Richard from Workspace this evening. We will have you in for today tonight on Spy.